How do natural sounds like rain or ocean waves help with sleep? A. They create a soothing rhythm that relaxes the brain. Which natural sound is commonly used in white noise machines for relaxation? B. Gentle waterfall. Why are natural sounds effective in blocking out unwanted noise? C. They provide a consistent and soothing background noise. What type of natural sound is best for reducing stress and promoting relaxation? B. Soft rustling leaves and bird song. How do nature sounds improve concentration and focus? C. They provide a gentle background that drowns out distractions. What is the main benefit of listening to rain sounds while resting? B. It creates a rhythmic pattern that calms the nervous system. Which natural sound is often associated with deep meditation? C. Running water or flowing streams. Why do people use natural sounds in sleep apps and sound machines? A. To create a peaceful atmosphere and enhance sleep quality. How do natural sounds influence heart rate and breathing? A. They slow down heart rate and promote deep breathing. What makes natural sounds more effective for relaxation compared to artificial sounds? A. They mimic real-world environments that the brain finds comforting.